Alright, so check it out. This is the Freestyle Frisbee course. Las Palmas número 5. I have some students that came every course, like the Macedonian guy. You maybe remember him from the first video. And also Ed. We also got a new guest today. His name is Tommy. You're gonna check it out. That's Tommy right here, learning the behind the head catch. Nenad already brushing, lovely brushing there. We got really good wind today at Las Canteras beach. We got about 8 to 10 knots coming from the west. How we love that.